Let me put this fucking thing on the ground. I don't want this goddamn camera. God damn it. How do you put shit down?
G.
Campbell,
you son of a bitch.
God damn it,
You
we
son of
have
a
hung out.
bitch.
Campbell, you and I have talked. Fucking let Campbell on your stream. You'll either get 1,000 viewers or get banned. We'll see. Because I would watch the fuck out of it.
Now, you guys stole my temp gun, so now I'm gonna have to eat a cold ass tamale. The real thing you gotta worry about in this goddamn house is foodborne fucking illness. Oh shit, they got lighters. I can heat my food up.
You know, if you find a spoon, you can heat up your heroin.
How fucking sad do you have to be to eat your food with a lighter? Fuck.
I don't think you understand. I've got a lighter lit. Someone needs to be playing fucking Journey right now.
I'm too drunk
I'm gonna
to listen
Osama
to
bin
him talk
Laden's
about
ghost
Journey
in
and
this
Tamales,
fucking
goddammit.
Fucking Christ, no.
I've had too much goddamn whiskey to listen to him talk about fucking tamales and goddamn Journey.
Hell yeah, we're hunting bin Laden in this suburban home. That's why we all need these night vision goggles and shit like that. You know, someone play Journey. I've got my lighter.
Oh my fucking god.
SEAL Team 6 go.
Why are all the lights on the street out? We obviously are hunting bin Laden's fucking ghost right now. It's alright, I got my tamale out. I'm ready to beat shit up.
It's in the kitchen.
You know, after careful looking, obviously this tamale has been filled with leaves and is no longer edible. You can pick this knife up now. Todd left a floater in the toilet. Is this flashlight one of those UV ones to see, like, jizz and shit, like in hotel rooms?
Yep.
Ghost jizz.
You're looking for ghost jizz.
Ghost jizz.
Robert Wilson, can you hear me?
Bin Laden, if you're here, give us a sign.
Robert Wilson, are you Bin Laden?
It's okay. I'm gonna detect his ghostly jizz around the house. I stole this bitch's house key. I'm coming back later to steal some shit.
Alright, let's get out.
Do we have
We're
like
gonna
a
find-
file or something so I can turn this this house key into a prison shiv? Like, Bin Laden, where are you hiding your jizz? Yeah, I'm not running from Bin Laden. SEAL Team 6 didn't run.
This candle, like, lit itself. Like, it won't light the other one, but it lit this one.
The fuck?
Yeah, and it won't even play Journey.
Let me shit in your toilet.
Okay, so I'm gonna move stuff to the bathroom if that's alright with you.
Copy!
More importantly, I found a fucking microwave, homies. This tamale shit's about to get cooking.
Let Campbell know if you find a fucking crack rock. No, homie, I found a fucking microwave. The microwave has been found. The tamale party can begin. This poor ass bitch didn't pay her power bill. I can't turn the microwave on.
By the way, poor ass bitch's name is Robert Wilson.
Pay your fucking power bill, Robert Wilson. I want to cook my tamales. Yo, bro, why are you teabagging the motion sensor? It sees your balls.
Alright, tamales are on the plate in the kitchen.
Put them bitches in the microwave. Minute 30 should be good. As long as there's not tinfoil, then we're gonna blow the fucking microwave up.
Yeah, but they got the husk on them still, you can see it.
Oh, fuck!
Oh crap! Oh crap! Somebody should take a picture of those fingerprints, but not right now.
Where? Where?
It's on the door. Oh, bathroom.
Fingerprints?
There we go.
Bin Laden has ejaculated here. Hey, I found a jizz blanket in here. I think that's where Bin Laden's been shacking up here. Look at it.
Copy, got jizz blanket on camp.
We got confirmation on Spirit Box. Let's get the fuck out. What
I just
what
found
are we
the
looking
power
at?
meter. Wraith.
Get the fuck out! I'm sorry, Campbell. That Wraith can keep the tamales. I don't give a fuck.
You're a monster, sir.
So we got
This bitch
spirit
locked
box.
the door with our tamales in the fucking house.
Ha, not I. I still have my uncooked tamales. Kenny Rogers is singing all about my tamale right now. Oh shit, they even got a model so I can be a Karen.
Hey, Karen Hunt, them Bin Laden, fuck.
Absolutely not. I'm about to fucking talk to this ghost manager. Nah, Bin Laden about to accept these expired coupons. I brought the lighter so we can all sing Journey together.
Fuck, I didn't think it'd hurt to breathe while playing this game of all games, but fuck.
This is the one game of all games I fully expected to hurt breathing at. Alright.
Just try and imagine that. You're eating an entire, like, corn tortilla with nothing but fucking cinnamon sticks in it. Bone wrap the queef.
Can we all, like, have a meeting here in the kitchen and try and identify what the fuck is this red shit in this jar here?
Okay, it is this hallway.
Yeah, hard left for pickled eggs, I gotcha. That hallway gotcha.
Then we got the mushrooms on the secondary left, and we got pickles on the secondary right, but then the fucking far right is just weird-ass red shit. What the fuck is that? Man, that looks like motherfucking meatballs and like strawberry sauce.
I like how you throw the crucifix, like, yeah, that's where that shit goes, right there.
Let's put a tamale in this thing. Oh shit, I left my cinnamon sticks on fire. I also want to point out, once you actually light those things on fire, you can cook your cinnamon sticks. It just looks like you're throwing a piece of shit around. Like, that's what it looks like. This candle looks like a dildo. Yeah.
Dirty water in the sink, we got that.
Hey, I want to point out that when you light the dildo on fire and throw it in the sink, it still lights up underwater. Yo, Todd, come check this out.
That's fucking hilarious.
Oh shit, there's a free car in the garage. I just stole their fucking, their wire cutters.
I like how Campbell fucking left me alone in the kitchen. Are you fucking with shit back there?
No. Yo, there's a mannequin over here. Bin Laden's definitely been masturbating near this. Not getting a single goddamn ghost orb. That's okay. I got goodies from the garage.
Oh, fucking... I don't want to go in there. Fuck. Fuck.
I nominate Campbell as our spirit box boy. Cause he'll shit talk that ghost into fucking revealing its secrets. I'm already stealing half the shit in the house.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. It's a she. I just learned it's a she. She appeared in the hallway right when Campbell had his back turned.
Oh, don't worry, I got a nice dish set in the truck now.
What's the name again?
Name is Carol Williams.
Fucking
Carol
Carol
Baskins?
Baskin.
You guys investigate the ghosts and I investigate all their stolen goods. I stole their TV remote, so I'm gonna drive by and change the channels now when I'm off of duty.
Carol Baskin, did you fucking kill your husband or not?
Carol Baskin! Killed her husband, whacked him.
Oh shit, this bitch got a guitar in this room.
Hey, look, more ghostwriting.
Carol Williams, I'm not gonna leave her die. I'm gonna stay right here. Fight me, bitch.
I found an acoustic guitar, but it wouldn't let me play Wonderwall. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna keep looking for nice fancy shit to steal. Yo, I found a jar of lube. I'm bringing it back to the truck.
I'm glad you've all come back to see my collection of stolen goods.
How did you get the laptop and the phones?
I'm very good with my hand.
If that door closes and your lights start to flicker, just immediately look for a place to hide.
Alright, dinner is served. Eat off the ground, you fucking animal.
Just to let you know, we identified the ghost, but its spirit orb went from the bathroom towards the direction of the basement.
I'm glad I can die doing
That's a mood.
He's not in the kitchen.
Oh, shit,
that
it's
one
happening.
was- that's not him. Yeah, no, that's not him.
That's 10.
Looks like he's freaking the fuck out.
I know. I figure he probably uses comedy as a coping mechanism. This is not him coping.
This is not him coping.
You ain't? I need more shit to steal. Why do they put cabinets in if there's nothing to steal in?
Again?
Apparently, he needs to get the fuck out, but he'll learn what one way or another.
He's desperately trying to hit that radio.
Come
He
on,
is.
show your face.
Oh,
He's dead.
it fucking got him.
Well, goddammit, now we're never gonna get that tea kettle.
Fuck it, we're out.
You know, for Thief Simulator, I didn't get a lot of money for all the shit I stole.
It doesn't look like a Jenga tower. This is a beautiful 2-story colonial wraparound porch. It's got a nice little balcony up top. Look at that nice, like, rounded area at the window. I love that. You know that's my architecture dream.
I feel
And
like
it's
she's.
overgrown to shit.
I feel like she's selling me real estate.
Right? This place is only mildly haunted.
You a couple of folks just looking to get murdered.
You're a couple of dumb folks just looking to get murdered.
Every white person ever is just like, I'll take it!
Yeah, exactly. New York's Honda's Club is this abandoned shack, which looks like it could be in downtown Skeety.
235. 236. I can't be stopped. Oh god, I stopped.
Gee, it's almost like you've spent a whole lot of time in VR and just moving the ball up and out of the basket.
No, I haven't. I have not. I have done no such thing.
I've seen it.
Houston, GameCube controller is, it's responding.
That is not advised.
That is completely advised.
That's probably
You
it.
would think the demons would be adverse to salt as well. If they wanted to be accurate.
I like how she acts like such an elitist when talking about the accuracies of ghost hunting.
I sound like what?
Such an elitist when talking about the accuracies of ghost
Oh,
hunting.
she is such a fucking ghost elitist. Get used to that.
Such.
I'm just now picturing somebody be like, I'll get the spirit box, and she's just like, if you wanna piss it off.
Yeah, sure, if you want to use that weak shit.
Why do I... Thermometer, not a
I've got
thermostat.
cameras.
Please never make that voice again.
I got cameras.
I have cupcakes.
Okay, let's go. Fuck this, let's go.
How was the turkey? Oh no.
can't interact with the phone,
I
though.
heard buzzing right next to me, like basically at the top of the landing.
I'm in one of the bedrooms upstairs, and it seems to, there's a cell phone on the nightstand.
Right over here.
Oh, what about it?
Yeah, I'm getting a 4.5 on the sound gun.
2 minutes.
Get them all.
Thought I heard something. Okay. Oh,
Oh, I'm up too.
it's right in here, huh?
EMF 2?
Maybe. Oh, gardening magazine. That's
Fuck
nice.
this.
When I
Whoa.
got the EMF, I can't remember. Was it
Ghost
the same
writing.
as when my
We already got
breath
ghost
was
writing.
Hard copy.
Fuck this. Let's get. Fuck this. Okay, I'm
I
out.
think I turned the cam on. I'm kind of shitting bricks.
Demon or Yuri, so we need to look for spirit box or ghost orbs.
Hey, guys.
Whoa.
So if we can cut lights in that room, I can look for ghost orbs and you guys can collect the spirit box.
Okay, I'll get the spirit box.
I think I heard some moaning from there.
I've already got one on me.
Whoa. Okay. That wasn't us.
I'm gonna go ahead and do it.
That's a
Is there
lot of
anyone in here with
activity
us?
around here. Spirit box.
Spirit box.
Copy.
Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. This thing is angry. This thing is angry. Okie dokie then.
Okie dokie day. Big Bombad Racing.
Why would you bring that up?
What's a Bombad?
Did I even
now?
Come on, Todd. Let's go.
Every
Let's go.
objective we
I want to witness a ghost event.
Come on,
every
Campbell,
every objective we
I got a
complete
camera.
gets
Let's go. Let's fuck it.
Make sure you have a crucifix to prevent the demon from hunting, because demons are the most likely to hunt.
We got a crucifix
more
right on the
crucifixes
floor
on
in the room there.
porch?
Why would
Richard
Karen,
Wilson.
you're a sim.
Come fight me, Richard.
you can
Oh.
do that? Okay.
Yikes.
Yep. That was immediate.
Yo,
She's-
yo, yo, don't leave me out here.
I'm not. I can see you still. Oh,
Yo, Richard.
Richard
dead.
Wilson, are you in here?
Bufferino. Oh, that's some flicker. Oh.
Richard Wilson, are you in here?
It just immediately talks back.
What if I don't want to leave?
He just tripped that motion sensor.
That might have actually just been me. Oh god.
It was not. You were not close enough on the floor plane to trip it.
What if I don't want to leave?
Cash?
What was up?
He's gonna give you cash? You leave?
Sitting in that motion sensor again.
This ghost wants a
Like
bribe.
right next to Isabel.
Something just happened. Because I felt my... I heard my fucking heartbeat.
I heard a grunt and I heard a heartbeat. Someone saw something. Maybe it was just a thrown object.
Teeth, what are we doing with the Witness Ghost event?
Not triggered yet. Flatlining on activity.
Fuck.
Come on, Richard.
Oh, don't... Oh.
God damn it, Isabel's just about as ballsy as Spacey.
Without the alcohol.
Richard, you want me gone. You're gonna have to take me out yourself.
Isabel and Steph exude the same energy.
Yeah, it's called Big Dick.
God damn it.
Oh, what's happening?
Oh, fuck you.
Ooh, spooky.
He's spooky, spooky ghost.
What's happening?
Now this Nancy's not gonna come out.
I vote.
Get me out yourself.
We're just
Come
scared of
on.
that big dick energy, man. I'm just waiting for him to come around the corner and
I wonder if we get
waste
this
me.
this crucifix out of the room. Wonder if that'd
No.
make him more active.
Probably would.
Hell yeah.
Oh, fuck.
We want to witness a ghost event, don't we?
Oh!
No!
No, get out, you
Come on,
witness,
come on, come on,
get
come
out.
on.
That is a hard 8 on the EMF.
Oh no, muchachos, I'm out. Get the fuck out. Feel like so far both Isabel and Steph have put me to shame.
I don't either.
Kind of Ouija board.
Already? Where?
Front bedroom.
So, front bedroom Ouija board, good to know. Alright, name is...
Oh, don't
Thomas
fucking
Williams.
lock me in here.
Name is Thomas Williams. Ask the Ouija board when you're ready. I'm looking at sanity.
Thomas Williams, where are you?
Got it.
Fuck that! It's in the fucking garage. This is the dumbest
Yep,
decision.
looks like it's the garage. We've got the keys. We should be able to turn it off. Let's regroup.
Okay, I got you. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We're probably running straight out of time right now, too.
Yeah.
Do we not have a crucifix?
I do not. I didn't grab it. You in here, friend?
This is the worst decision. Yo, what the fuck? Wait, where'd the crucifix go? There should be, like, both of them out here. I'm a fucking idiot. I've got one on me.
We're coming. We're gonna get that crucifix down. I also moved the Ghost Writing book to a bit of a better place. Is it on camera? Should be.
Is the camera on?
It is.
I don't... Okay.
Alright, got that book on camera.
There's an EMF for you. I guess I'll go first. Let's go.
I'm sorry, Johann. Just know that I have your back.
So is that what, an EMF 3?
That's an EMF 5.
EMF 5. Get the fuck out.
Cop.
Shit, man.
That was fast.
Phantom.
Fuck that. I can't wait to see what new items they add to this game.
Where's my AK?
Welcome to Lab X18. You've got poltergeist, you shoot.
Objects coming at you, you find Santa. You find Fat Santa, you shoot him.
Oh, could you imagine the
You
fucking
got
things that
poltergeist,
ghosts
you
could do
call
to
me.
that,
You
man?
no longer have poltergeist.
You tell him
Imagine
you got
fucking-
poltergeist? Hold on.
Which are the sound sensors? The green ones?
The ones that look like the Instagram. It's the white box.
Okay.
They look like the Instagram. Is this your first time at the high school, Mikey?
Yep.
I'm sorry.
You know how horror movies do the colored people?
God damn it!
I'm Indian, that's a fucking mood.
As am I.
I didn't know that, Johann.
Yeah, no, he's also Indian. We're a whole bunch of colored folks in a ghost game. Okay, so does that mean the white guy goes first?
I might legitimately be the one white guy. I might be the safest here.
I didn't know Mikey was also colored, so... Todd, you have to go first. You have the highest survival rate.
But, like, by process of elimination, doesn't this make the ghosts, like, extremely racist? It's gonna be like some Nazi demon or some shit.
Shit, it's just gonna be yelling at you in German.
Fuck that, dude! Mikey, you remember Shane Huggabin playing paintball with us, right?
Not really.
Big old bear-looking dude. Everybody thought we were gay for each other.
He's a fucking mountain of a man, and I'm pretty sure I just heard Steph say you are in the background.
Fuck off, Steph! No, so we were playing Among Us the other day with Boom and a few of his friends. We had like a massive group going, but one of his friends speak fluent German. And spent the entire match fucking shouting at us in pure German the whole fucking time.
Ach, ich sehe sie, deine Kinder.
Did Johann just phase through the door for anybody else?
Yep, he did.
Okay.
I'm gonna start probing for its location.
Yep.
What was the name?
We already got fucking phone activity. This is quite literally the fucking worst. Oh god, I hear that phone again.
Hey, I saw a hallway light turn on. Did anyone just turn one on? I did.
The main thing attracting me right now is the fact that I keep hearing a fucking phone ringing. And it's all coming from the same spot, and that's usually a good indicator. So how this is gonna work is that,
Oh wait, no, hold on. Oh wait, no, never mind. You just placed that sound sensor. Disregard.
You scared the fuck out of me. It starts in this bottom left, goes up, to the right, and then if I had a fourth sensor, it would have been down from there. So it's going
so that top,
clockwise.
that top that top left is where I had a reading, but it looked like one of you was in that area as well, so it might have been picking up you guys walking around.
Johann came from that direction, but also, again, there was a phone ringing.
I have no light, but I don't plan on leaving anyone. This fucker just goddamn changed my camera again.
So that's a confirm.
Cycled it twice even. I went or 3 times. I went from 4 times actually. I went from 7 to 11.
You hear it, right?
I heard it for a second. Oh man, if you just like, I just could imagine something running up behind me and you guys just having to watch.
You heard it?
That sounds like the end of the hall here.
4 spike, 5 spike now.
It's down this
Flatlining
hall.
at 5.
I think
Wait, did I just see
It's
someone's
freezing.
breath? I see something up.
it's starting to freeze. I think we found it.
Dorothy, fight me.
Ew.
I did throw down the insurance,
Oh.
by the way.
Oh no.
It's over this
This is a new
way.
phone.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It sounded like it was coming from this direction for me. I was just kind of following you guys. It's on
It's
the
the storage room.
other side of this wall?
Yeah. So this door right here will probably lead out to the hall.
Oh, 5 degrees Celsius just a second ago.
Sorry, I thought I saw something moving at the end of the hall.
Let's go through this wide area real quick.
Okay, that is literally
That is a
off
new
that
phone.
direction.
Isn't it?
I think so. Did we?
With it like hard lowering.
It's freezing.
that-
It's freezing.
did.
It's freezing. It's freezing.
Copy. That's our area. Let's get fucking.
Is this
Drop
get
it.
the fuck out.
Drop it. Drop it right now. Drop
Grab
that.
materials,
I dropped it, I
we'll
dropped
get
it, I
fucking
dropped it in the
cameras
room.
and shit and bring them in there.
Okay, you're able to. You have a good idea where we are?
Did someone just close the door?
No.
I had an
It
EMF.
wasn't us.
EMF 4 in that room, yes.
EMF 4 in the room
Let's
too.
EMF 4 copy.
So it's that door right there. Oh.
Go
behind.
find a
Nice
place to
looker.
fucking hide right now.
Hide.
Hide.
I'm gonna go in this room and hope to fuck it works.
Lights out.
Alright, get the fuck out. Everyone good?
We're all safe. It looks like. Yeah, let's get the fuck out.
Copy.
Okay, good shit. Get the fuck out.
Oh shit. Fuck. Fuck. Fuck.
It's going again. I don't think there's any place we can go.
Right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. Where'd Johann go? Johann, where are you? Oh. Got your light off?
Yep.
Okay.
Everyone alive?
We're good. Let's get the fuck out.
Yep.
Alright, my boys, be free.
Yes.
Breath.
Whoa.
Because we already had freezing, but it's kind of alarming that's all the way down that hallway. Take your
Let's.
next right.
If we don't need to talk a whole lot extra, let's please keep the comms clear. I'm sorry.
I mean, I'm confirming shit, so that is important. And when he stops talking, we'll know we're done for.
This isn't the right room.
But we still had freezing breath in
So
here.
with the breath being that prevalent, I'm not for certain if it's in that room behind the camera. If we can get a camera
It's
set up
that
and look for
low.
ghost orbs, but it's really still just anyone's game.
I'm gonna set up
Okay,
the.
fine, drop- accidentally
I'm gonna set up
drop
the camera in here, anyways.
I couldn't fucking move.
I mean, we have the whole cam pointing the other way, so yeah, throw it in that room and then we should be good on cam.
Let's do the smudge stick right here.
Dude, where the fuck?
I will let you know if that objective clears once you smudge.
You have a camera active in the room right now.
Oh, I see that. Handprint.
Do I still need to do the spirit box? Because I can gladly tell it to fuck off.
I don't think
It's a Wraith or a Banshee.
Wraith or a Banshee, let me see what we...
Oh, fuck.
Banshee, we're gonna need EMF 5. Wraith, we need Spirit Box.
Either way, we can be very fucking... Oh, man, this is terrible.
Wait, isn't a Banshee or a Phantom, does one of them not like attacking group? No, wait, no, we already know it likes to attack us.
How should we proceed? I can't think right now. I'm honestly too fucking scared.
Well, we need Spirit Box or EMF 5 to narrow it down.
Do I have to?
Give me the spirit box.
Oh, okay. It sounded like a freaking...
Alright, get the fuck out!
Go!
We're getting the fuck out!
It hates salt, but we don't have any salt in that building, so get the fuck...
Shit. Keep going down, keep going down, keep going down, keep going down. Go for the first classroom on our left, right here. Everybody in, I got it.
Lights out.
This isn't a bathroom.
Status.
Alright, get out.
Oh wow, the Wraith objective actually gave us $30.